The time has come to show off the masterpiece. I know it's been a long time since the last video. You can tell my face has grown long, as they say, and so has my hair. I mean, life happens, things get busy, but this machine's been performing beautifully. As you can see, we got the RGB strip down here in front. Cheapo knockoff fans, they don't work with Orasync. That's okay. I'm not really concerned about that. The only thing that kind of irks me a little bit is I have one RGB header, which I put the strip on, and so the case comes, you can't see from this angle, has a little bottom light in the front that works with the Orasync. It's just shining white because I had to unhook it to plug in the strip. Fans of Linux and RGB may be a little disappointed because Orasync does not have any native Linux clients. There are some scripts out there, I believe, that people have created, but it's not quite the same. So that stinks. I'll live with it. It's fine. One other thing is it does perform beautifully. I mean, transfer speeds and everything is just so much faster than what I used to have. I don't have any benchmarks that I've run because, quite frankly, I haven't had a lot of time, and that's why this video is late. But I use it while I'm working from home every day. Maybe I'll make a video on that soon. A lot of people ask me how or do you like working from home? Yes, it is awesome, and you probably could find a job working from home if you really wanted to. Maybe. There's a lot of options out there, but that's for another video. So in the meantime, enjoy the beautiful footage. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Man, it's been a lot of fun doing this. It's also been a good amount of work. I apologize for the poor audio quality. That's something I know I need to fix. So hopefully in that next video, you gotta subscribe to get it. Hopefully in that next video, if you subscribe and get it, I will have that audio fixed. You'll be able to hear me so much better. Till next time.